Hello guys, in this episode we will see that how we can load the images from the asset and network as well. So first we will walk through that how we can load the uh, asset in our project. So first we will go to our project directory. Uh, okay, first we go to that directory. So as I have already extracted a Google logo. So what I will do is that I will do create a folder as the name of the asset, and I will simply paste that folder inside it. So as you see that the Google logo is already there. Um, so what we're gonna next step is uh, as first so first we go to the pubs.yml file, and we can see that the asset is commented for us. So for before that we have to uncomment it. As we have uncommented, and we can specify the path as well, that we have specific that the image is already there. And we can extract any image, either the png, jpg, or the many other format as well. So it's suppose all, but majorly for the now case we are using it as a Google. I will copy that, the name of it, and a Google logo dot png. So once it's done, you are specifying the it shows automatically version of a file depend upon the device pixel density and list them in a pubs.yml. So what it's gonna do is that it automatically we can bundle it for our app as well. So what we're gonna do is that after you specify that in the pub.yml, once it's done, you can pub get it. And what we're gonna do is that in the column widget as well. So in the column we can simply load the image asset, and we can specify that path. So our path is assets, and Google we can specify the image, and that's all. And if you see and run it, so the if you see that the image is already loaded for us, and it also holds some properties as well. So in that it shows like alignment bundle, color we don't give right now, but I will brief you about all the properties in the next video. But for the right now we can fit it, uh, within a cover, and we can specify the width and height as well, so it will not take more space as well. And height, let's say we have given a, let's say 100, and the width we want to give is uh, 200. So if we hot reload it, so the image is loaded, we can increase that height, let's say 400. Uh, Sorry, wait. And then we can specify the quality as well. There are the many more properties we want to use, but uh, majorly these one are used. In opacity, we can use it to make a little bit blur, and according to our scale we can also define it. The color that we doesn't want to give right now. So as the image is loaded from the asset, so then we will see that how we can load the image from the network as well. We can see that how web images are cached automatically, and Flutter will download the image file cache and show it. So we can see that how we can extract that uh, the image from the URL. So what we're gonna do is that the image widget also has some constructor as well. We can load the images from the assets file, memory, and network. So we will see that how we can load the image from the URL. So what we're gonna do is that we do copy that URL once. And so let's say just copy this path, it, copy this image address. We can paste that in that URL. We can specify this as well. If you see that the layout is coming, the error is coming over there, and we can resolve that. Wait. So what we gonna do is that if we see that the in the column the error is coming over there, so we can simply use a single child scroll view, or we can paste them in a list view as well. So uh, this will overcome the error as well. And the list view doesn't hold the property of the main axis alignment, only the column hold. If you see that the error is automatically gone and the image is already loaded from the URL as well. So we can also load the images from the file and the memory as well. For the now part, we have loaded the images from these two. So if you like this, I hope I will see you in the next video.